Are X-Pro dirt bikes good? X-Pro dirt bikes are budget-friendly off-road motorcycles that cater to beginners and casual riders. While they offer affordable performance, their build quality and durability vary by model. This guide covers X-Pro dirt bike reliability, performance, assembly, and key considerations to help determine if they are a good choice. 1. Are X-Pro dirt bikes reliable? X-Pro dirt bikes are reliable for casual and beginner riders, but they require regular maintenance. Good for entry-level riders who want an affordable dirt bike. Decent engine performance for trail riding and light off-road use. Assembly required, and some parts may need adjustments out of the box. Second, pros of X-Pro dirt bikes. Affordable price compared to major brands like Honda or Yamaha. Variety of models from 125 cubic centimeters to 300 cubic centimeters, catering to different skill levels. Decent power and speed, with some models reaching 70 miles per hour. Easy to upgrade, with aftermarket parts available. Third, cons of X-Pro dirt bikes. Lower quality components than premium brands. Assembly required, and bolts may need reinforcement with thread locking compound. Suspension and frame may not handle extreme riding as well as top-tier brands. Customer support can be inconsistent depending on the seller. Fourth, best X-Pro dirt bike models. X-Pro Templar X 250cc, one of the most durable and powerful models. X-Pro X 27125cc, great starter bike for beginners. X-Pro Paladin 300cc, a larger, more powerful option for experienced riders. 5. Are X-Pro dirt bikes good for beginners? Yes, X-Pro dirt bikes are great for beginners due to their low cost and ease of use. Ideal for learning off-road riding without a huge investment. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Requires basic mechanical knowledge to maintain and assemble properly. 6. Do X-Pro dirt bikes require a lot of maintenance? Yes, regular maintenance is essential for X-Pro dirt bikes to last. Check and tighten bolts regularly to prevent loose parts. Use high-quality oil and fuel for better engine performance. Inspect brakes, chain, and tires before each ride. Replace stock parts if needed, especially suspension and chains. 7. Are X-Pro dirt bikes worth it? X-Pro dirt bikes are worth it for riders looking for a budget-friendly dirt bike. Best for casual and beginner riders who need an affordable off-road option. Not ideal for serious motocross or competitive racing. Good as a learning bike before upgrading to a higher-end model. X-Pro dirt bikes provide good value for the price, but they require assembly, maintenance, and occasional upgrades. If you're looking for a starter dirt bike or a fun off-road ride without spending thousands, X-Pro can be a solid choice. However, for serious or long-term riding, higher-end brands like Honda, Yamaha, or KTM offer better durability.